went.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lady, when I was much younger, in the early 20s,
Uh-huh.
there's a lady from Turkey,
Mm-hmm.
and she said, I'm good. I feel like I can do everything.
Mm-hmm.
And when I saw that, she's arrogant. And
You thought she was arrogant?
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what's wrong with her? Young Yuri thought about it.
Yeah.
But now I think there's no problem, but at that time I was like, oh, this lady is, someone like I cannot be friends with.
Yeah.
So why is that? What's the difference between Yuri at that time and Yuri? I'm Yuri as an example, but but Yuri at that time and
Yuri at that time was probably suffering from a low self-esteem problem. And a lot of people have this. And for some reason, society tells us we should not express positive feelings about ourselves. This is bullshit. And I will say that on camera. It is bullshit. If you don't love you, who will? That woman was expressing the fact that she feels good about herself, and
Right.
she should. We should all feel good about ourselves. So why it is that society tries to make us feel like we're doing something wrong if we feel good about ourselves is ridiculous. That's not arrogance. That's a positive affirmation that leads you in a positive direction. So I'll give you a personal example.
Okay.
I used to have this complex that I felt that people didn't like me. Okay? And I realized this later on. I didn't know it at the time. But people did not like me. You know why? Because I kept saying to myself people didn't like me. And because of that, my behavior caused people to not like me. You fulfill your own prophecy. Whatever you say, whether it's positive or negative about yourself, is an affirmation. And you become your affirmation. So what I did was I changed what I was saying. I said, everyone likes me. Everyone. And what happened immediately when I said that is my posture changed. I was like this before, and then all of a sudden, without any effort whatsoever. Seriously. You observe yourself, your physical posture will match what you think about you. When you say positive things about yourself, all of a sudden your spine becomes straight and erect, and you sit in a positive way. The energy you're giving off to other people reflects what you say to you about you. So then I walk up to order a cup of coffee, and instead of being straight-faced because inside I think people don't like me and they're not going to like me, I was like, very happy, smiley, whatever, friendly. It just popped out. I didn't have to try because of what I said to myself about myself. So this woman who said all those positive things about herself, maybe she understood this. I don't know. I would not her. Only she can explain that. But people who feel uncomfortable by other people who express positivity about themselves, they need to ask themselves, why do I feel that that's wrong? They need to work on them. And probably that's why that Yuri is different from who you are today, because, you're a very different person now. You're more positive now.
It's almost 30 years ago, so,
Yeah. People change. And you're studying this stuff, right? Right? And you're practicing positive affirmations. So obviously, you're a completely different person. At that time, you were following the script that someone else planted in your mind. Be humble, be gentle. Don't say positive things. Feel guilty. You're worthless. You're this, you're that. Those are affirmations that allow other people to control you like a drone. Now you're in control of your own mind. Congratulations.